All right, you guys asked for it. You didn't give my hot air gun very much love. I got a bunch of negative comments about how terrible this thing sounded and how, oh my God, it's about to die. You better get a new one. So let me show it off. It is a Master Appliance Corporation, Racine, Wisconsin, USA, made in the USA. It is a Mastermite. 340 watt, silver, black, blue, silver. Oh, so I have the silver nozzle, so it's 475 watts. Model number 10008, 50 or 60 hertz. Nice. UL listed. Hey, this is the real deal, right? So listen to this thing. All right, I'll get my microphone close to it. Yeah. So people say, oh, it's about to die. It's about to die. So I've owned this for, let me think back. I'm getting too old to get back into decades here. Here's at least 4 decades, right? At least 40 years ago. This thing has been on my bench and dropped and abused, and guess what? It made that noise 40 years ago. It made the same noise. This thing will never die. Yeah. It's got some wonky bearings in it, but hey, it doesn't care. It just doesn't care. It just keeps it going, right? So yeah, you probably have a Chinese ones that'll die in 5 years, right? And then this thing, like I said, I don't know how old it was when I picked it up. I bought it used at a junk store, okay? So it had been abused before I got it. They probably said, oh, it's making noise, we better get rid of it. Well, it lasted another 40 years. I'm sure this thing will outlive me. All right, so I wanted to show that off. It's got hot, cool, and off. And look, the incandescent light bulb still works on it. So yeah, how about that? Let me show you another one. All right, this was another junk store find. I don't use this one very often. Oh, it's got a bunch of dust on it because it was under the bench. But yeah, this one's the real deal. If you want a real monster, this is the one. And it's so cool because it has a pedestal, right? And so you can put it on your bench like this, and then you can work on it up above, right? So it just goes. Yeah, let's plug this in. This is what kind of noise that makes. All right. Yeah, it makes kind of noisy too. Maybe not as bad. But look at the size of the blower on this thing. It is giant. This thing's heavy too. It weighs about, I don't know, 5 pounds or something. Yeah, it's a beast. And you can change the angle at which it sits on the bench with these guys here. Replaceable bushing, or what do they call this thing? Brushes. Replaceable brushes on the motor and everything. Yeah, this thing is great. Does it have a name on it? Oh, here, the name's underneath here. I have to move this out of the way. This is a Veritemp heat gun, made in the USA by the Master Appliance Corporation, Racine, Washington. That's, like I said, these guys are the real deal. Model VT7, scratched off, something. Maximum temperature 750 amps, 14 amps. 14 amps. Yeah, this sucker's a beast. Anyway, don't use it very often, but I thought I'd show it off since you were giving my other one a hard time. It's Big Brother. It's Big Brother is here. I'll teach you another, since this video is going to be a short one. I'm feeling lazy today, so short video today. Sorry, guys. If you're just trying to heat shrink some stuff, you can use your hot air station for that too. So that sometimes is on the bench, and you don't need to find where your heat gun is. You just grab your rework station and set the temperature down a little lower and do the heat shrink. I think heat shrinks around what, 120. Let's see, some of these say on them. Yeah, so this one says 125C. Is where this heat shrink starts to shrink. Anyway, there you go. Yeah, give a big thumbs up if you like my hot air guns. They need some love.